1, Sri Lanka.
Beneath the endless skies, where blue meets green, a land of ancient whispers and sights unseen. From golden shores to mountain heights, Sri Lanka's calling pure and bright. Oh, the pearl of the Indian Sea, where nature's wonders run wild and free. Feel the warmth in every hand. Come lose yourself in this timeless land.
Wander through the temples where stories are told of kings and queens and cities of gold. Hear the drums and candies night, 1,000 lanterns dancing light. Step by step, let your heart unwind. Every path is a treasure you'll find. From Sigiriya's ancient stone to sacred trees that feel like home. Oh, the pearl of the Indian Sea, where mountains kiss the sky so free. From dawn till dusk, let spirits rise under starlit Ceylon skies. Taste the tea, feel the spice, colors bloom in paradise. Friendly smiles, a warm embrace, Sri Lanka shines a sacred place. Oh, the pearl of the Indian Sea, with tales of hope and mystery. Feel the rhythm strong and true. Sri Lanka's heart is here for you.